I'm Cameron.
And I'm Des.
We are Black Architects in the Making, aka
Us.
Bam.
Yes.
Basically, we're here to facilitate all the things that are going on in architecture. We're helping to expose all the kids to the field of architecture and the things that go along with it. So today we have a bridge building competition, and we also have VR, the virtual reality experience, so that way all the kids can know exactly what goes on in the field of architecture and how it relates to technology. Because technology makes everything faster, quicker, more efficient.
And it's always changing, so it's good to stay on top of it.
Exactly. What she said. So now, this is our first annual fundraising event, and you guys follow us.